Alright, I'm gonna have my kale salad. This is not a typical lettuce, but it's kale. Alright, I'm having also some strawberry lemonade cake balls. Ayan, nilalagay ko sa akin food ngayon. Wow, mukhang masarap talaga nga. Cake balls. Yan na lang ang pang ano ko. Kanin ko. Cake balls. Kasi I'm on a diet eh. Gusto ko nang magkaroon talaga ng diet. But, okay, I'll see kung magkaka-diet nga. Ayun. Ang aking garbanzo beans. And then, lalagyan ko ng ranch. Okay. Okay na yan. That will be good enough for my that will be good enough for my diet. Okay. Ayun, diet din pag my time. My kale salad. Alright. And my cake balls. Sarap kasi magpapak eh. Maglafang-lafang pag nasa bahay. Wala pa. Sarap. Sarap nga. Kasi isa sa mga nasa menu namin sa Illuminarium yung kale salad. Kaya I feel like tasting kale salad. Okay lang. Mas masarap pa rin ng lettuce.